Welcome everyone again to RC Fun & Games. Today we're going to be unboxing the WPL D12. Okay, so I'm going to show you around the box. Here you go, guys. At the top with a little handy handle, and at the bottom a few more details. But anyway, let's get into this guy. Okay, let's go for it. As you guys can see, I took mine in a teal blue, and I also took it with the extra body kit, so it's got all the flares. Now let's see. Oh yeah, and I ordered it with 3 batteries, so as you guys can see, nicely packed in little containers, 2 more lipos. Let's get this open. I see it's already all been touched. I'm assuming they opened the box to put the batteries in and the body kit, guys. There's the controller, and that feels a lot better than the non-proportional steering one. Okay, now let's get to what counts. We get, looks like little reflective mirrors for the mirrors, guys. The back piece to the truck, little screwdriver, charger. Okay, let's throw that on the side there. Now, yeah, for some reason the battery's sitting in the back, yeah? There we are. Now, let's get the truck out. Wow, must say, that looks amazing, guys. That is so cool. Oh, the suspension feels really good too. Just turn this thing on the side, let's have a look. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm well impressed. Now let's just see this battery compartment, guys. Well, that's I must say, that's very clever. That's pretty cool. Now, I'm not going to go through a lot before I put on all this and do all that. Let's give it a quick little test. Let's throw this battery in there. Okay, batteries are in. We grab some batteries and put them in the controller. Hey guys, batteries in the truck. Got the batteries in the controller. Let's test this guy. So let's hit the button on. Let's turn this truck on. Oh, it's amazing. You can already just tell. You know what? For the price of these things, I'm pretty impressed, guys. The steering really turns. That's insane. That's crazy how good it turns. Check power. Plenty of power. Let's hit the next one. Even more power. Guys, that's really impressive. Great little truck. Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna get on fitting the body kit and everything else and then taking it out for a run. You've got to get the little front lenses out, guys, so you can put them into the other bumper. Okay, put those 2 out. Pretty cool. Let's get the front bumper out. And that just slips in over there. Yeah, that looks sick, man. That is sick. Okay, now we got the back bumper. To do the back one, got this. Oh wait, I forgot to put lights in there. Where's those lights? sorry guys, forgot to put the lenses in. Chuck those in there. So what happens, you're too excited to go and play with it. Okay, this one's in. Slide that and slip that onto the front here, guys. It really does look really cool, guys. Okay, now we got the back here. And see, we've got some exhausts to put on here. Give us some screws here. Okay, let's quickly stick some screws in here. Okay, that's one on. Just slip in there, they're very nicely and very easy to fit. Self-explanatory, you definitely don't need to look at instructions to put these things together, guys. I must say, as Christmas is coming up and everything, these are great little trucks to get your nephew or whatever, basically your son. They're just great. I think they're awesome. For the price you're paying for them, you're getting a good little car, and if you get bored of them, you can upgrade them and do plenty of other things with them. So I'm more than happy with what the quality is. Looks like we're gonna have to remove the back wheel for this to fit. But just take the screw out in the center. It really sucks. That was my favorite feature. Okay, there we are, guys. Tires are nice. Pretty hard, really. Yeah, pretty hard. Still works perfectly fine without the tire there. So let's stick this on here, guys. I must say, it's pretty neat that all you have to do is just buy a little kit, and it's all the places. You don't have to modify anything to put them on. Guys, it's been pretty well thought out by this company, and the detail on this body, I must say, is impeccable. Hey, I just see the stickers here as well. Cool, got all the stickers for the truck. We better put those on as well, eh, guys? Anyway, back in a second. Let me get done with all the guys. We've still got the back here to put on. We've got this little box, which I still got to find the place for that. We've got the wing mirrors. We've got the actual reflective plates to put in the wing mirrors, guys. There you go, guys. Those two are on. Guys, let's get the mirrors on for now. There you are. And this mirror on this side. Okay, left side windows. What the heck do I do with this little box? Oh, it goes over there. We don't need the little box as we've got the body kit on. So another item we can keep over here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get out with this little. Oh wait, what about this? Okay, there we are, guys. This is what it looks like when you get to the end. Still got the mirrors to put on and the last stickers, but I think that looks really cool, guys. Let's get this thing out. Let me go and give it a test. Please don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, because it all helps the channel grow. Okay, and we really appreciate it. So thank you very much for joining us again on RC Fun and Games, and we'll see you on the next unboxing.